What a crazy day in the stock markets, going vertical after President Trump posted that he was pausing all tariffs on most countries for 90 days, except for China, which goes up to 125% because they retaliated. So you still have that baseline 10% tariffs on most countries, good enough to rally the stock market. Relief rally. Dow, a historical 3,000 point gain. Best day for the S&P since 2008. Best day for the Nasdaq since 2001.
People were jumping a little bit out of line. They were getting yippy, they were getting a little bit yippy, a little bit afraid.
There was some distress this morning in the bond markets when you see the interest rates go up by the fastest rate since 1982 on some of these government bonds. That tells you that they were on the verge of some dysfunction there. Also, when you see this type of vertical move in stock markets like this, it's usually in reaction to a surprise, but also that they were still betting that stock markets would fall, shorting the markets as it's called. So they had to rush in to buy back the shares. But remember, this is a relief rally. So the day after, we are still waking up to 10% tariffs on most goods, a doubling in the prices of Chinese goods. And remember, we still have inflation above that 2% level. So can the American consumer and the paycheck absorb a few more percentage points in higher prices? And markets do take a while to recover. Remember, during COVID, you lost a third of its value. The stock market lost a third of its value in 1 month, and it took 4 months to get back to those old highs.